Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on notifications on the Google Maps application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the app on your phone. Now click on the updates icon down below, that's the last option. Tap on the messages section and click on turn on notifications. Now tap on go to settings, and now you will be directed to your phone's settings, where you need to allow the Google Maps to access your notifications. So click on the fourth option, notifications, and click on allow notifications. So now you have updated this function, so you are going to receive notifications about messages on the Google Maps app. That's pretty much it for this video. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing, and see you in the next video. Bye bye.